And we're back. Last video, we just got her mounted up, and then since then, we've just been left for like 3 days. So I just like mounted up little things, try to find locations of stuff, and now we're gonna put stuff in. Yeah, for real.
We just took a look over some stuff. Found the slave cylinder unfortunately leaking.
Yep.
Somehow happened. It's happened at some point, but I guess it's better it happen now than when we go to drive it.
Yeah. We're gonna take the bumper off.
Get that prepared for the front mount.
Oh, look at Troy Boy guy here.
Brand new crank pulley, fluid damper.
Heavy boy.
Keep the internals fresh.
That's it.
Gotta stay strapped. Got our specification. So if they give us any problems at the track, gotta tell them now we're certified.
We official out here. No used parts, none of that.
Facts. We'll guide you as we go through.
Yeah, we're still figuring out what we're gonna do now.
Probably gonna deal with our wiring mess over here.
Yeah.
This is for the little distributor like thing. So I don't know if I showed this. We converted. This is a 93.
Yeah,
so
those came from down here.
Yeah, these are the. This is cam. This is crank. This is cam. And since I use 91, 92 style heads, they have that little distributor like thing on there. So somebody made this harness for me. We got power, ground, and signal off the crank, and then cam signal, just cam signal off the cam, and then just gotta plug it up like so, and then that should give our signal to the car. When you do this though, the latency matters. The older ones are a little bit slower, so this ECU will actually advance the timing on this by like 0.010. I don't know the exact unit of measurement, but that's what I read.
It does make a difference.
Cell 316. It shouldn't be too big a deal. Shouldn't make that much of a difference, but
something to consider.
Yeah, something to consider.
All right, so get it.
Yeah, just gonna get started.
7:35. We started here at 5 o'clock.
Hey! You went ham too. You went ham
Word.
too. We all over here went ham.
I went the least ham, but I put the throttle body on.
Yep. That's all my boy Andrew right there.
Throttle and help with the exhaust. We figured out the exhaust doesn't fit, unfortunately.
Oh yeah, shit.
So we gotta fab some stuff up, or I gotta buy a downpipe pretty much.
Wire tuck the whole harness.
Yeah,
Yep.
John, show them the nice wiring tuck.
Fresh.
I took care of the manifold. Ren painted it. I did vacuum lines. Ren cleaned them up.
We cleaned up over here. We got all this is aftermarket stuff right here. That's not stock, but it blends in pretty well. All the wires are run down there to the thing. Zip tie there, and just trying to keep it stock, trying to keep it clean. We did that loop right there. What else did we do?
Oh, we need to tighten the heater core hoses before we forget.
Tighten the heater core hoses. We did the shift linkage tight.
I'll do that now.
That literally majority of the plugs left. I mean done. Just got.
Honestly, all your thing is probably just on that side. Alternator.
Yeah.
Power steering still to be connected. Still got doing exhaust.
We got this vacuum line tucked and running all the way through to that wastegate. We got a T coming up. It's right here.
Oh, you hit the T. That's nice.
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Shine. That's it for today. Didn't record the process, but here's the result. Gonna get there.
Any questions, you can always hit us up in the comments.
That's it.
You're back again.
That's it. What you doing there?
Show them how hot it is right now.
Bruh.
And they say global warming isn't real. But we're still out here.
Word.
Estel's behind you. Got all the race car stuff in there.
The trunk boy. You can see the boxes.
When we pull that up, we'll show you.
Word.
We're just kind of figuring out where we left off, trying to figure out.
Yeah, it's been a few days.
Yeah, try to figure out where we want to go from here. I'll probably get the radiator in today, and then if we do that, we can do the intercooler. We'll do some of the piping, because like we won't be able to get to these. I have clear covers coming in for these, so we'll be able to see the timing belt and the gears through that. I'm going to clean the gears up, and then we'll have the exhaust coming. We'll probably put the compressor on, put all those lines together, put the belts on, get all that looking nice. prepped the intake system. Got nice new intake. Just putting on the vacuum port. It's a little not snug enough, so I'm just gonna put a zip tie on there, cut it. You won't see it anyway.
That's it. You
Got
gotta
a catch can coming. We will probably do a catch can, like right here. We're gonna move the battery to the back. We have a box right there. Put a kill switch in. We're getting really close.
Yeah.
Literally,
really
when this next shipment of parts comes, that's really it.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be ready to fire her up. Just a matter of getting it done.
Word. Are we getting her done?
Yes, sir. I gotta like fix that somehow. Just pushing a little bit.
Should use a heavy one.
Probably. Maybe a flathead too, or a punch.
Yeah.
Just get some room for the alternator. Oh yeah, you can show off all the nice goodies.
All new pipe, couplers, intercooler, Rajan taking the finesse, and axles in here, OEM stuff in here, belts, slave, axle nut, couple more new pipes right there. That's it, we get to it. Alternator on.
Not on yet. Look.
No, it's on. I bolted it in.
Yeah, there.
Oh, where?
AC compressor almost on. Alright. What's today?
28.
Yep. As you can see, intercooler's in. Piping is being done. Radiator is in. He did the clutch slave cylinder. We have to bleed that. You got these nice little clear covers right here. What else? We was really struggling with the radiator because this one was way too thick, would not fit with the fans.
This one
So,
barely fits.
Got the
with it
OEM
in.
John, and yeah, it literally, like, I don't even know if I could.
There's probably a millimeter.
Yeah,
Not even.
there's no space in there. It's getting tight, but we're figuring it out slowly but surely. We're trying to start it today at least, first start. So let's see how this goes. What else was a pain?
This corner.
Oh yeah, these two pipes right here were annoying. We did this so the pipe doesn't rub right there. Shouldn't mess up the pipe. In here we had to cut a little bit just to make a little bit more space. Remove that thing also.
No AC for now.
For now.
I'm very upset about it.
Yeah, that line wouldn't go in, which is annoying. That's it. Once we were done up here, we got to put in the transfer case and all that, right?
Yeah.
Axles and stuff. Axles are under that, right there in that box. That's it. Let's see how it goes. Coming down to it. Oh, the pipe, that bottom pipe right there was a real pain going to the turbo. Still in the intake right now for the turbos. Next is fluids, battery, and crank. Check the bottom. We gotta flip the oil cooler, but we're gonna see how it is right now. Because people are saying that's a bad thing, and then some people are saying it's whatever. You have to get this little extended pipe, down pipe, to get the exhaust to line up. Also, you can see like a flange in there used as a spacer, so it could clear the subframe right there. That still lines up. Transfer case is in, axles,
The fuel line.
everything. Oh, we gotta put in the starter still. That's it. Let's see.
Alright, yo, Veran built here. We got the GoPro going.
We're finally going through the
Oh,
photos.
finally going through here. Veran, do some slow-mo edits right here.
Go. Drinking.
Slow-mo of this.
Thirsty girl.
It takes, how many 3 gallons it's gonna take?
Well, that was with that thing.
No, this is
we
a,
we
yeah.
slimmed down. Got 2 quarts. I got 2 5 quarts of 10W30. Then I got break-in pure oil.
Pure oil, boy.
See, they're gonna pay for your paint job.
Oh, word?
But you're gonna have to have a giant pure oil on the whole side of your car, both sides. That's gonna be the deal.
They say you have to live and sleep in your car. For the rest of your
Yes,
life.
yes.
Although I now need
But
more
they'll
coolant.
guarantee you 2,000 a month.
We might have to go buy more
You
coolant.
do?
More coolant.
I'm out.
We have water.
Yeah, but I don't want to. You're not supposed. It's 50-50 already.
Oh. What a struggle right now.
I don't
This
think
is this is the worst thing that could happen right now.
He's not ready, bro.
Okay.
Well, Troy trying to scheme some cooling real quick. Brand's watching. He's not here, but he's watching.
I just paid him, right?
So just put the oil in, a little above full. Now time to hook up the battery. Do the test cranks.
Fuel pump relay?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull the fuel pumps open right now. So I'm just gonna pull the plug. As of right now, I'm gonna pull it from here.
It's the same thing.
Yeah. Unplug this. Wants to play nice. There we go.
There you go.
Nice.
Where's the battery?
Tugboat, bro.
Just don't touch them together, sure.
Damn, that sounds like thunder.
No, I saw my face. I was like,
That's just pumping, yo.
Oil come through yet?
No, not yet.
Put a light in there.
I see oil. I see oil.
That's just pumping, bro.
It's in the store right
Do it
now.
again. Go again.
I was hoping for the score.
mm,
Right.
Yeah, I didn't. Sounds so.
Where-
Sounds like
but
it's
where-
ready.
It is.
There's oil on it. You can see the oil on
It
the
needs to
load.
shoot up. I need to build pressure.
Do it again? I mean,
But the oil's going throughout the system though.
we don't know. It's not.
Maybe it just needs more pressure to get up to the head. Might not be making.
It was.
it's pouring in right there. Come here.
You can see it.
You see right there? You see the line where it comes, it's like seeping in?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. It's literally the only place there's oil.
Unless, because he put it on an angle. Like the.
No, that's what I was thinking, but it's literally coming through.
Oh, wait. Do it again?
Cranking.
Oh, yeah. I see oil coming through that shit.
Alright, we good. Time to turn it on.
For you.
Yeah, it's all running down the shits.
You ready, Troy?
Plug in those two cents. Plug in cam and crank. Plug in fuel.
Pump turning on. I want to hear it.
It doesn't come on until it cranks.
Really?
I'll show you some iPhone videos.
I'm doing this.
We're doing this.
Fuel pressure not right.
Mhm.
I don't see it right.
Crank. Yeah, no fuel pressure.
I hear the pump.
You hear it?
Okay.
Maybe it just needs to go through the lines more.
Yeah, that's all right.
We got fuel pressure. We got fuel pressure. We got fuel
Keep
pressure.
cranking it.
There it is.
What's
It's a lot of leaks.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's all oil.
No,
Okay.
one looks like that's all oil.
No, it's don't scare him. It's okay.
No, I'm saying.
Oh yeah, no, I know. I'm just.
Wait, watch out.
Oil runs.
That's oil.
I wonder if it's something like any of the fittings.
Are the lower? Are those turbo feed return lines?
This
Question.
is trans wood.
Oh, it's pouring out of the fucking
Oh, that is.
And
axle.
oil and trans wood.
It's pouring out the act.
No, it's pouring out from. Oh my god.
That's wet up here.
Big splash. And the whole axle and boot is like soaked.
Slow down.
Gotta go under.
Look. See here?
Grab the creeper.
Is that power steering?
All right, back at it. Let's see if you fix this leak.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, you good?
No leaks.
Radiator going back in, and she gonna idle for a while, finally. We have another leak. It didn't even start it. We're hoping the radiator ain't cracked, but that's looking like what it is. So we'll see.
Alright, I'm doing an update real quick. So, brand new radiator. We fucked it up. It's on this side or the other side? Yeah,
This side. It's on the back side because the
Oh
front
yeah, you
doesn't
can
leak.
see. Yeah, you can see all the. You can kind of see the coolant. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah, we got a hole in it, trying to put it back in. So another setback, but nothing else leaks. So just need a radiator. And just like that, the update's complete, Varan.